Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a project in CapCut PC. So I'm working on this video and I want to save it. So at first, look, you can't really see a save button anywhere. If you try to press Ctrl S, that's the usual hotkey for a save function in most other programs, nothing will really happen. So you have your export button right here and share button, but none of them really save the project. So let's say you export your project, but you still want to make some edits after you reviewed it. So if you go to shortcuts and scroll through, you can't really see any shortcuts that saves the video. And here, a Ctrl S shortcut just restores the audio. So the answer is really simple. If you take a look at the upper left corner, you can see the CapCut actually has autosave enabled, which means that all your projects will be automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about anything. Once you exit this window will load, and here you can just go back to your project, and as you can see, everything is still saved without me needing to manually press save. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.